This type of baby dance video has been trending all over the internet, pulling in millions and millions of views. And as a creator, you already know what that means. Massive reach, massive engagement, and serious earning potential. So the real question becomes this: how are these videos actually made? A lot of people assume this kind of content isn't budget-friendly. They think it requires expensive animation software, professional studios, or weeks of production time. For a long time, that was true. But not anymore. AI has completely changed the game. In fact, I'm about to walk you through how these trending AI baby dance videos can be created using just one single AI tool. For this entire creation process, we'll be relying on Higgsfield AI. This is the tool that handles everything behind the scenes. Once everything is set up, this is what the homepage looks like after you sign in. From here, the very first step is to create an image for your animation. Based on my research and what I've seen consistently performing well, there are two main character styles that dominate these videos. One is the Pixar-style African character, and the other is the Big Boss Baby style character. Whichever one you decide to go with, the process is surprisingly simple. All you need to do is head over to TikTok, find a character style you like, and take a screenshot of it. Once you have that screenshot, you upload it into ChatGPT and write a short prompt asking it to generate an image prompt that recreates this exact character. Almost instantly, ChatGPT gives you a detailed image generation prompt that looks something like this. Now you simply copy that prompt and head back to Higgsfield. Once you scroll down a bit, you'll see the Create Image option. Now click on the Nano Banana Pro model from above. And now the Nano Banana Pro is activated. For this process, we're creating the image from scratch, so you paste the prompt right into the prompt box. Next, you choose your aspect ratio. Since this content is designed for TikTok, the ideal choice here is 9:16, which fits perfectly for vertical videos. You also have the option to select your resolution, going all the way up to 4K if you want maximum image quality. If you're using the Pro version or higher, there's an additional option you can enable. Turning this on allows you to generate images without losing credits, although it does take a bit longer to process. For now though, we're keeping that option turned off, so everything runs faster. So now the image is generating. All you have to do is give it a few seconds. Alright, here's the image, and honestly it looks really nice. One very important thing you need to pay close attention to is this. Every part of your character must be fully inside the frame. Make sure nothing is cut off. No hands, no feet, no head partially cropped out. Doing this helps the AI produce much cleaner, more realistic results when the image is later animated. Once you're satisfied, you can download the image using the button below, and it will be saved directly to your device. You can repeat this same process for the Big Boss Baby style character as well. But let me clarify something important here. Just because these two character styles are the most popular and trending right now, doesn't mean you should recreate everything exactly the same way. When too many creators start copying the same idea, the content quickly becomes saturated. That leads to audience fatigue, declining engagement, and eventually, the slow death of the niche itself. Instead of copying blindly, this is where your creativity comes in. Use these trending styles as inspiration, not as a limitation. Add your own twist, experiment with new looks, and find a way to make your version stand out. That's how you stay ahead, keep the audience interested, and build something that actually lasts. Now, take a look at this entirely different approach. Instead of sticking to human-like characters, this approach helps you stand out immediately. I'm talking about using animals, not just rats, but cats, gorillas, monkeys, and almost any animal you can possibly imagine. To achieve this kind of image, all you need to do is head back into ChatGPT. Paste the same prompt you used for the human-style character, then add a short command at the end, saying something like, "Give me the rat version of this prompt." In your own case, you simply replace rat with any animal you want to experiment with. Once ChatGPT generates the new prompt, you copy it and paste it into Higgsfield, just like we did earlier. Within seconds, your result is ready. Very few creators on TikTok are currently experimenting with these animal-style dance characters. Most people are still focused on the same human baby styles. That means this approach gives you a real chance to stand out before everyone else catches on. Now that we have the image, the next step is to bring it to life. This is where the real creativity comes in. Head over to TikTok and search for dance challenges. From the wide variety of results, you want to look for a video where only one person is dancing, and most importantly, where all parts of the body are clearly visible. No cropped hands, no cut off legs, everything needs to be in full view. While searching, I came across this one, and it was absolutely perfect for what we're trying to generate. Once you found a suitable video, you save it to your device. Now, head back to Higgsfield AI. From the home page, you'll see the Create Video option. Once you open it, change the model to the newly launched Kling Motion Control. You'll notice a message indicating that Kling Motion Control is still new and currently stabilizing. That means some generations may fail from time to time. It's nothing to worry about. This is expected with newly released models and usually improves within a short period after launch. From here, you'll see two important options. One for uploading a reference video and another for uploading your character image. Start by uploading the reference dance video. You'll notice that only up to 30 seconds of video can be selected, so you'll need to trim it down to the exact segment you want to use. Oh no, an error message appears. If you ever run into this problem, don't worry at all. It simply means that the resolution of the uploaded video is too low for the model to process properly. To fix this, all you need to do is open the video in any video editing app you're comfortable with. In my case, I'm using InShot, but the same idea applies to any editor you have available. Once the video is inside the editor, you can trim it down to the 30-second mark, keeping only the part you want to use. When it's time to export, make sure you select a resolution higher than 720p. This step is very important. After that, export the video. What this does is automatically upgrade the video's resolution, making it compatible with the motion control model. Now, head back to Higgsfield and upload the newly exported video. This time, it should upload without any issues. Next, upload your character image as well. In the prompt box, you don't need anything complicated. A simple line like, copy exactly the same dance movement works perfectly, especially since the movement is coming from your reference video. From there, you can select your desired output resolution and start the generation process. Once the result is ready, you repeat this same process for all your remaining images. And just like that, you've successfully turned static images into smooth, animated dance videos.